let me talk to you about something that's very close to my heart, something I'm very passionate about. Porn. How many single guys in the audience? Make some noise. Yeah, always at the back. Always at the back. So I'll tell you what, okay, ladies, you didn't need to know this, but now here's some information. Okay, I'll tell you how you will know that a guy has been single for too long. Okay, I'll tell you. It's when he hits page 7 of his porn search. Every guy in this room has got it. Okay, let me explain, okay? So, till page 6 of your porn search, it's variety. Barobar. After page 6 is desperation. वहां से शुरू होता है dog, camel वगैरह. Don't go there, okay? Don't go there. Okay, like I have seen a lot of porn, okay? Like since the age of 13 till last night, a lot of porn. Okay, and the weirdest porn by far I've ever seen in my life is this thing called Indian porn. Anyone here seen Indian porn? Make some noise. I like how someone said no. ये होती है overcompensation की हद. Okay, so in case you haven't seen it, good. Okay, good. Because Indian porn is very different. Okay, there is a difference between Western porn and Indian porn. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. Western porn is porn. Correct. Indian porn is not porn. It's scandal. You can tell the difference in the first 5 minutes. Okay, the first 5 minutes of Western porn is what? It's foreplay. Yeah, foreplay. Yeah. The first 5 minutes of Indian porn is the girl going nahi. पक्का डिलीट करोगे? इंटरनेट पे मत डालना. पूजा के साथ भी ये this whole conversation that's happening, okay, and you're going like अभी आएगा, come on. It's, in Western porn, right, the porn stars moan, right? They moan so much. It's crazy how much they moan. They're forever moaning. It's like it's beautiful. In Indian porn, the women can't moan because the in-laws are in the next room. Can you imagine what would happen if Indian women started moaning? She's in the bedroom going, from outside the knock on the door, Bahu? क्या हुआ बहू? कुछ नहीं सासू माँ, कमर में दर्द है. उठो, फिर से. अच्छा रुको, मूव ले आती हूँ. And that's why move's tagline is आ से आ तक. It sucks, okay, if you live in Bombay, no, it sucks being a married person. Okay, because you live with your in-laws, okay, and your house is about this big. Okay, like in Bombay, people don't live in houses. We live in shoe size 11. Okay, there is no space. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how, like, this is an actual representation of how couples in Bombay have sex. Okay, actual representation. This is how they get it on. Okay, here's what you do. You go, Sasuma, wo dekho. And she goes, क्या है? क्या है? क्या है? क्या? क्या? अरे तुम इतना हाफ क्यों रहे हो? The weirdest thing about our porn, no? The weirdest thing, okay, is how we title it. It's the weirdest thing, okay? Like, because our porn titles sound like matrimonial ads. I'm not even making this up, okay? This is an actual porn title, okay? You can Google it. Don't do it now. Just go home and Google it, okay? It's an actual porn title. 20-year-old, tall, handsome, engineering boy. Doing scandal with 19-year-old dusky beauty who can cook. Who the fuck needs this last detail? Who's sitting there going, Thepla? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.